Well, there it is. Took me 6 hours to work on this car, figure out the problem. Turn out, the air filter was just real dirty. I mean, it was real dirty. And all kind of trash, sand. And I broke a bolt right here. I gotta get another throttle body. I'm gonna get that brand new. The second air. It's the old air filter. Might go back to Walmart tonight. Get one in Walmart 24/7. But yeah, there it is. I changed spark plugs in. The spark plug was real bad. Let me see, can I find it? Can I find one? Well, a couple of them. A little minute. Y'all don't mind this trunk, cause this is a car I bought. That's the spark plug. Hold up. There you go. That's how most, well, pretty much all of them look when I had changed. But yeah, other than that, car still got the O2 sensor problem. I'm gonna get them real soon. So I gotta go put some gas in it because I'm gonna run out real soon. But yeah, I got it. Got it back working. My current problem was the car wouldn't start unless I had my foot on the gas. And then once I take my foot off the gas, the car just died. 04 Impala LX, 3800 motor.